All right, so here we have my week 8 project where I took my previous website project and added some CSS to it. And here, right here is where I link the style sheet to my HTML pages. And I do that on each HTML page so that the CSS will work throughout the site. And I also embedded a font here that I use over on the style sheet just to give my web page a little more something to fit what it's showing. I worked with a little bit of everything, adding background colors, adding font colors, font sizes, obviously this different font family, calling things by element, by class. This was the only class I used just because for the most part I didn't really have reason to use classes personally this time around, and I just kind of made sure to add it so that I could show that it was being used. Here's some pseudo classes where you hover over I believe this is the links. These are the links that take you between the pages. And then some ID falling, just messing with each page and the size of the page. And I don't think all of these are not on the same HTML page, but since this CSS document is attached to all of them, I can include all of this stuff in the same CSS document. As long as I keep track of my IDs and my elements. So messed with the button a bit. Made sure I sized my elements in here. Let's see, I actually even created some keyframes because I learned about these previously, and I just really think these are awesome, what you can do with them. They're probably a little over the top, but I really like them. So just to show, this is how my page turned out. You can see the different font showing up in there, and then here's actually what one of the keyframes does. Just kind of makes the picture shake. It's just something kind of for fun to give my page a little more character. Here on the table, it'll highlight whichever data square you're mousing over. And then here's the button. That was just fun. And then when I hover over my links, it comes up as a different color. And my hobbies, kind of messed with the margins on this page. Didn't want it all the way to the side, messed with the border radius. And again, with the different font families. Yep, and so that is my CSS project. Oh, and then just go into my other page. It also highlights the different parts of my skills and qualifications list. And you go down it just to show different things and to highlight them as you look at them. And that is the end of my CSS project. Thank you very much.